research article. So a research article is a scholarly work published in academic journal that reports original research, including the research problem, methods, data analysis, results, and conclusion. So research article must have method that's used to collect data, source, make analysis. And the newspaper article is a written report found in a newspaper that provides news, information, or opinion about recent events in a simple and easy to understand way. So, newspaper article talks about current events such as difference between research article and newspaper article. Difference between research article and newspaper article. The first one is difference in purpose. As we know, newspaper article have many purposes, and the research article have only one purpose, such as in this is a research article, and this is a purpose of research article. The article says an assessment for the factor that lead widespread of divorce in urban district is Zanzibar. So in a research article, it has a title, but in newspaper article it aims to inform the public about current events, news, or social issue. Example, pure study habit claimed before falling exam results. For example, in this newspaper, the title is Ujenzi wa miundombinu uimarishaji huduma CCM. So, research article and newspaper article are far for many things, such as the purpose. Have you understood? Yes. Okay, my dear students, have you seen this? This is the title or purpose of newspaper article. Okay, okay, this is among the difference between newspaper article and research article. So another difference is difference in audience. Research article writing for researchers, scholars, and students. As you know, when we are in diploma, we do research or projects. So the projects, we must find the students, the other teachers, and scholars so as to make our project succeed. For example, in research article, audience can be scholars, researchers, and students. But in writing newspaper article, the audience can be an ordinary citizen who can buy and read the newspaper. So,
research.
Difference in language and style. In research article, use formal, technical, and academic language. As we know, research is done through researchers and students. Okay, my fellow students? Yes. And the newspaper article use simple, clear, and non-technical language. Example, the study used the interview article, there is no methods or main technique that you need. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Another difference is difference in review and publication process. Research articles are peer reviewed by experts before publication. Even when we do our research or projects, we supposed to give our teachers and other experts so as to review before publish our projects or research. Example, an article submitted to African Journal of Education is reviewed by university professor before acceptance. In newspaper articles are edited by newspaper editors, not peer reviewed academically. As we see, newspaper article and research article are different from review and publication process. Example, in newspaper article, a journalist submits an article to the editor of the Citizen who edits it before printing. In research article, the university professor or teacher review the research so as to publish it. Another difference is difference in structure. Research articles follow a scientific structure such as abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, research, discussion, conclusion, and reference. Example, a research article includes section like methodology, the study used in share, administered to 200 students. For example, there are so many methods that are used for collecting data and so as to publish our research. For example, in this research, there are data analysis for the assessment for the factor that lead widespread of divorce in urban district in Zanzibar. Difference in newspaper article follow a journalistic structure such as headline, lead, body, and conclusion. In newspaper, we see title. This is the title. There is a body and conclusion of this news. Are we clear?
Yes.
So this is the end of our difference between newspaper article and research article. Any questions? Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
My name is Rahmani Hamadi. I'm a member of the program.
My name is Paulette Anisani. I'm a member in group number 35.
My name is Saladin Asmai. I'm a member of group number 35.
My name is Rahma Miss Nasser. I'm group number 35.
My name is Ahmad Muhammad Baru. I'm from group number 35.